Good morning, B3 students. Today is Monday and it's the 6th of July 2020. For today's learning objective is that you are going to make a video. So it's up to you how long the video would be, but should be around 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay. So what are you going to do in the video? So again, you're going to make a video showing 5 objects or things that are non-magnetic. Remember, non-magnetic materials are things or materials that are not attracted to a magnet. Like if you see a magnet, if you attach to these materials, then they will not stick to it because they will not be attracted. That's why it is called non-magnetic. And then after choosing 5 objects that you're going to show me in your video, you are going to explain you're going to explain in the video why that object is non-magnetic. Okay? So again, 5 objects that are non-magnetic materials, that are made of non-magnetic materials. So these are examples of non-magnetic materials. So this is a paper. This object is a paper. And we know that paper is made of what material? Is it glass, plastic, rubber, wood? So paper is made of paper, of course. Actually, paper comes from tree, right? So paper is the material to make a paper is paper. So paper is non-magnetic because, and then you're going to explain why. Paper is non-magnetic because it is not attracted to a magnet like that. Second object, this is a glass. And this glass is made of glass. The material to make this glass is glass, not a paper, not a plastic, not a rubber, not a wood, but it's made of glass. This glass is a non-magnetic material because the materials that is used, which is glass, is a non-magnetic. It is not attracted to a magnet. Okay, so now that's example number 2. Example number 3. This is a spoon, right? Spoon. And this spoon, the materials used to make this spoon is plastic, right? So plastic, this spoon is made of plastic, and this spoon is non-magnetic because the material used to make this is plastic, and plastic is not attracted to a magnet. And then this is a rubber band. Number 4, example, object number 4 is a rubber band. A rubber band, this rubber band is made of rubber, and rubber is non-magnetic material because it is not attracted to a magnet. See, it's so easy, right? And then the last example here is a chair. This chair is made of wood, and wood is not a non-magnetic material. Therefore, this wooden chair is non-magnetic because it is not attracted to a magnet. So again, you're going to show me 5 objects. For example, in my house, I have a domino box. I have a hairspray. For example, in my house, I have what else do I have here? I have a fan. So I'm going to show, so again, you're going to need 5 objects, and then you're going to explain or show me. For example, this is a domino box. This domino box is made of wood, and this is a non-magnetic material because wood is not attracted to metal like that. Okay, so, and also would like to remind you, especially for those who are going to present the project this coming Friday, make sure that you are ready with it and hopefully you're ready before Friday. Okay? Thank you and goodbye.